In this video, we will run through the different snapping settings available in Plan Studio, what each of the different settings do, and how to use them. To see and edit your snapping settings, open up the snapping menu from the side panel. Snapping settings affect how every tool in Plan Studio behaves and works with the other items already added to your floor plan. For this tutorial, we will be using walls as an example of how snapping works. The snapping controls work with all entities in Plan Studio, such as walls, bifold doors, stairs, navigation paths, and networks. With all snapping settings turned off, walls can be drawn at any angle and will not automatically join together when creating new segments. By turning on snapping and leaving all other options turned off, you can adjust the snapping sensitivity slider, which is a personal preference and controls how close your stylus or cursor needs to be to the end of another line to have it snap and join to the end. Turning this all the way down, you will need to be quite precise and accurate to have your walls join together. Turning it all the way up, you may find that walls join together when you did not intend for them to. This is a personal preference, and you will need to find the setting that works best for you, the equipment you are using, and your drafting style. For now, we will set this to around 75%. Next, turning on angle snapping will make all the walls you draw snap to 22.5-degree increments, making it much easier to draw straight lines and have them join at 45 or 90-degree angles. We recommend that you always leave snapping and angle snapping turned on. If you need to turn these settings off to draw walls at odd angles, we recommend you turn them immediately back on to reduce the risk of drafting your building freehand. Rotation alignment is used to help any objects you select to rotate, snap to a wall or object that is drawn at an odd angle. With rotation alignment off, when manually rotating this wall with the selection tool, it will snap to 22.5-degree angles. With it turned on, it will snap to be at a right angle to the wall you are trying to match. Position alignment is used to help you position elements to be in line, at repeating increments, or in the middle of two other elements. When moving this wall with position alignment, a line will appear to let you know that the wall is directly positioned in between the walls on either side, or at the same distance away from the last wall as the previous one. Snap to other plans is used when you have another level in your plan visible as an underlay. It allows you to snap directly to the walls from the other plan so you can draw over the top of them, or draw off them as if they were in the same plan. This is useful for lining up external walls, stairwells, and lifts between levels. Some tools will have no snapping options, and others will only have a few available depending on how they are used. Please familiarize yourself with the snapping options and learn how and when to turn each of them on and off depending on what you are drawing.